Hello and welcome to the Innovative Studio, guys. This is Shakil, and today's we will learn how to create a Visual Basic project in Visual Studio 2022. Guys, let we start the um, creating the project. Let launch the Visual Studio, guys. Here comes the fourth option, the Create New Project. I will select it, and after this we have to select the template, which sort of application we are going to create here. So you can use this one, and here comes these options like language option drop down, then Windows application all platform can be here. You can select the platform, and then you can um, also have a drop down list sort of projects, type of projects here. This drop down you can select the project type, so it will help you to select a project templates and will sort out and filter out the projects template. So we have to create a Visual Basic project, and here comes you can see which type of project you are going to create. So we are going to create the Windows Form application. So I will select the option of Windows Forms app, uh, select it and click the next button. Then we have here Windows Farm app, and then you can name it as your required name. So I will name it app 2. So then I will click the next button. This will start the process to create the project. So here you can see here the Windows Farm app, Visual Basic Language, and Windows Platform, and Windows Desktop application. So guys, framework you need to select here. By default, um, .NET Core 8.0 is the long-term support framework. You can select it. Other than this, some other options are available like .NET Core 6.0, .NET Core 7.0, .NET Core 9.0, and 9.0 is also is the standard term supported. So 8.0 is long term support. We will select that and create the project by clicking on the create button. So it will take a few seconds. You can see here project creation is in process, and Studio is creating the project here. So Visual Studio is loading the designer. Now the Windows form has been created here. You can see here by using the mouse and keypad, we can reset the size of the form. And after this, you can save it by Control S. And then guys, for that, first when you're going to create the first time project, you will can't see the toolbox like control, where all Windows controls available. You will go to the view menu, and will select the toolbox option here, and it will show you the panel where all controls of the Windows app will be available. So I will click it, and you can see here um, this toolbox contains the all Windows form controls. Then it categorize into common controls, then container controls, then menu and toolbar controls. Then the you can see here components. Then you can see here the printing controls, and in the last you can see here the color dialog, folder browse dialog, found dialog, file open dialog, and file save file dialog. These are the type of dialog controls. Then you can see here the binding source in data controls, and then you can see the data grid view control. So guys, these are all control which are used to develop a Windows form application. So we are going to design a small application right now. You can see here all controls available, and we will create a small application which show the message box to you. So we will take some controls from here like label. You can see here I have drag and drop the label control. Right click on that and select the properties from context menu, and it will show you the property window. You can rename your control like LBL caption, and next to that LBL caption we will change it. The name we have changed, and you can change the text. Uh, you can name it input, and we have named it input. Then we will drag and drop the text box control. You can see here this is the text box control. You will drag and drop it and resize the control. In the properties you rename it, like change its name. You can see here the control name txt input. We named it, and then we will drag and drop the button control. You can see here is the button control, and go to the properties window. So you can name it as you want to do the name, change the name. You can change its name. Right now I'm not going to change that, and I will change the text, and it will be show. I will use it to show the message. So button one, you will double click and it will create the event handler in the code behind file. So I did that, and you can see here the here comes this method. Button one click have two arguments like sender as object and e as arguments, and handles the button click event. When you click on the this button, this event will be triggered. So we will show the message box by clicking this button. So here comes, we will use this, and you can see here we will select the message box dot show, and here comes message box, then show. So it will show you this message, hello world. So hello will be a message, and world will be a just name. So if you want to change this, you can see there's some override properties. You can change it, and also we can show the text which we are input in our message input box, text box. So we have here dot t. So I have saved this, and this message box will show the text which we enter into that text box. So I'm going to build this one from the build menu. I will select and build solution. So you can see a solution project built successfully. Now I'm going to run it, and Here it comes. We have run the application. You can run it by Control F5. In debug mode, you can run with the F5 key only. So I will input some text here. You can see you can input any text. So like I have input this one and will click on the button. So here comes the message box has been showing that text which we have input in the message box. So guys, this is the way how we can create the VB project and how we can show a message box in Visual Basic in the Windows Form application. So guys, this is all about the project creation in VB using the Visual Studio. So thank you for watching, and uh, also try to share my videos with friends, and if you can follow me, then please subscribe it, and thank you so much for watching, and bye bye for now.